I love every day of the year, but nothing tops Christmas morning. Exactly, Rocket. This is when our holiday officially starts, and I've got every single minute planned right here. This is going to be the most relaxing holiday ever.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Another successful year behind us. Everyone got their presents right on time, and now it's time for a well-earned break. Let the holiday begin! Well, it wouldn't be a proper Christmas season if we didn't have to drag Arthur the Industrious out of the workshop. Any volunteers? Little Maeve and Rocket. Perfect team for the job. Don't forget to lock the workshop. Oh, and remember to bring gingerbread cookies for the panto.